I'm never good at this one. Lego. I'm gonna build Lego. Here it is. Transformer. What is it? Robot really would. Let me know. You can do this at the toys area. This is made in China, obviously. Let's open it. Let's get started. Come on. So guys, first I'm gonna build it. Look at the back. There is Bumblebee, this guy, Predator, and this guy can survive the big robot. Let's get into it. Okay. There is instruction book. Another instruction booklet. Oh, this is for the Ultra. This bag and this bag. Yeah, there's nothing in it. These are the set. Instruction 1, instruction 2, this bag and this bag. This bag don't have any numbers. Let's go. First, this, we don't have any.
Oh my god! Serious? How? Hey, I want to build a robot.
Okay, let's go. Need the time lapse. Oh my.
This is ABC map. Under T map, you can know. This is a smaller piece. Come on, open it. I'm gonna open this bag. I'm gonna open all of these because there is no number. We get there, this. Oh, this is pretty hard.
So guys, there is 2 instructions for the truck and for the robot. I'm gonna use the robot obviously. This is so small. Look at it. I have Lego. It's not this one. One by one because it's gonna change the mix up. Okay. Mini. Let's see. No. Oh. So guys, it's all done. Okay, look at this baby. You can do dance, you can do spin, time lapse. Sorry guys. This is the closing. So guys, want to see more videos? So guys, want to see more venturing, baking, building? That's a new world. Building, baking, DIYs, and adventure. Leave a comment down below. And see you guys next time. And subscribe. And like down below. And see you guys next time. Bye! Stay safe, everyone. Optimus out. See?